Hey everyone, I'm Mecca here from a Self-Publishing Blueprint. I am so excited to give you this quick, massive update for Self-Publishing Accelerator group mentoring. Over the last few weeks, I've had numerous coaching calls with members of inside the Self-Publishing Accelerator. After each call, I'm so fired up, so excited, so motivated, so driven to help and help that person, help you get to your highest goals you want to accomplish with publishing and online. And from the feedback that I've been getting from all of you, it has just been absolutely phenomenal. And I want more of that. That was essentially the reason I started this whole blueprint. I started this program because I wanted to connect with you. I wanted to show you the blueprint on how to get the most from self-publishing. Starting today, I'm excited to announce these two changes for the Self-Publishing Accelerator Group Mentoring Program. First change is this. We're gonna go from 2 webinars to 1 webinar lesson a month. Why? This is gonna allow me to go into more detail, go deeper into specific topics that are gonna help you profit more and get the most from your Kindle and your self-publishing books. So it's gonna allow me to go outside of my area of expertise and bring in experts from other industries in and around publishing and business as a whole to have them sit down, talk with me, and share their knowledge for all of you so you can turn into the absolute best online internet entrepreneur you possibly can. The second announcement is this. Starting now, I am going to be opening up my schedule to connect with every single member of the Self-Publishing Accelerator Group Mentoring Program one-on-one every single month. I love having calls with you. There's no hiding it. I just love that connection. And I know from the feedback, you're loving it too. I want more of that. And I thought, what's the best way to get more of it? Open up my schedule a little bit. I'm gonna move some things around so every single month I can sit down and have a strategy call with you to help take your publishing business to the highest levels possible. I am so excited to get these first few calls underway. So make sure you would have got my calendar link inside the email that you got for this. Make sure you click it and you set up your first, or depending on who you are, we might have talked a few times, but get your call set up with me right away so we can strategize and talk about how we can take your publishing business to the highest level possible. I am so excited for you. Let's do this. 2018 is going to be the best year ever.